Hey guys, this is a very exciting day for me because I have to the right of me my own copy of Animal Crossing New Leaf on the 3DS. Now, why have I, well, I've always wanted to own like my very own Animal Crossing, and I wanted to get the physical copy, so that's what I did today. I've got it. I understand all of us got the digital copy, which is fine, but I didn't want to have a SD card problem. So we're going to open up the game today, and we've got all of this. Oh, I'll be honest, I found this cartridge in a second-hand shop, so I have no idea what this weird substance is. This is what I'm interested in. Right. Animal Crossing. So I've got the cartridge, and I'm going to put it in my system now, and I have to say I'm very excited to be playing this game. This is my first 3DS game I've ever owned. I'm so excited to finally have Animal Crossing. Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh. Okay, I could do this for hours, but let's get into the actual game. Oh, preparing to start the game. Yeah. This is so amazing. Okay. I got this game so me and Oliver could hopefully play together. I quite look forward to that. Yes, Rover, you just go ahead and plop yourself right in the sea across from us, even though we don't like you. Yep. Gonna be headed to a little town called Oh, my town is a reference to New Leaf itself. Yeah. Oh, I hope I don't get the peanut butter head look that I always get in Welcome Amiibo. I'm in a ice cream sandwich. Oh, I got a brown roof. Well, unlike Oliver, I don't complain about stuff like that. Just throwing it out there. Oh! I swear, every time I play this game, I get the peanut butter head. That's always the face I get. Right. This is on my new town. Hey, yeah, I'm Chester. Huh. You just stumbled into it, really? I swear, that is the face I always get. This face, I always get that. Alright, I'm gonna get my town set up, and hopefully in the next episode me and Oliver will be playing together.